This hanging workout will increase your grip strength, increase shoulder flexibility, fix shoulder aches and pains, and make you much stronger at any calisthenics pulling movement, like a pull-up, muscle-up, or one-arm pull-up. I do this daily, so join in with me. Do this 5 or 6 days a week, and you'll see significant improvements in all those areas of shoulder health. So I've already done a passive hang for 60 seconds, and now I'm moving into my single arm hang transitions. So the idea with this exercise is that we want to hang for between 3 and 10 seconds on each arm, and then change sides. Try to not swing at all when you're hanging, and then go into a completely passive position. So you'll see once I transfer my weight to the other arm, and now I go down into a passive hang. So this is just like doing a regular bilateral hang with both arms, except by hanging on one arm, you're getting much greater strength development in the grip, also in the shoulder, and also a better stretch through the lats. It really stretches you out here. So when I started this exercise, I was only doing 3 seconds per side, and then I worked up to 5 seconds, 7 seconds, and eventually I do 10 seconds per hang. And you'll find that it can really hurt your calluses as well. So what you can do with that is you can use like you can't see what I'm doing here, but like a semi-grip, where instead of gripping the bar like that, you grip it just with that part of your finger. It's much harder to do, but it's much more gentle on the calluses, or at least it even gives you just a second option with your calluses, so that you can change the way that you grip, so you're not always just gripping on the same spot, okay? And I like to do this for an accumulated total of between 90 and 300 seconds. So it depends on how much time you want to dedicate to this. So you can do one set. I forgot to put my stopwatch on, but I'm sure I've already done 1.5 minutes. You can do one set where you just do, up to 90 seconds, like what I'm doing, or you can drop down, take a break for a minute, and then do a second and a third set to try and get up to a greater accumulated total. So if you can only do that for like 3 seconds on each arm, and you can only do like 30 or 45 seconds before you have to stop, then drop down, rest for a minute, and then jump back up and do another set. And now what I'm going to do is active to passive hang transitions on one arm. So this is, if you're new to hanging, you'll do this with 2 arms, okay? So you're going to grab with both arms, and you're going to pull up, hold for 3 seconds, and then back down. But I'm going to do it with one arm, and I'm only going to be going for 3 reps on each side for today. So your goal is to do a minimum of 3 reps, and if you can't do good quality, like if you can already do 10 reps with both arms doing active hanging for 3 seconds and then back down, but you can't do one arm, then you can use assistance. So you could grab like, a little bit of rope or something, and you hold on with the other hand to assist you, but I'm going to be doing it unassisted now. Okay, I'll just get some chalk. So take note of the way that I pull smoothly, hold for 3 seconds, back down smoothly. There's no point where I'm jerking with this, okay? And it's 1 second up, 3 second hold, 1 second down, 1 second hold. And then we change sides, go straight into the other arm. That's it. If you want to get really strong with hanging and you want to increase strength, flexibility, get rid of aches and pains, do that daily. Do it 5 to 6 days a week. Do it for at least 30 days and let me know how you went.